Perero was introduced to us by the Spaniards when Christianity was introduced. Perero at that time means ibugaw mo yung mga aso, palayasin yung mga aso sa simbahan. And eventually,
Because of the root word pero which is
means
dog.
No? Perero, tagabugaw ng aso, tagapagpalayas ng aso. Pero noong 1889, there was this linguist named Pedro Serrano Lactao. Iba na yung meaning ng perero. From being a harsh, nang introduced to us na magpalayas ka ng aso tuwing misa, and by 1889, iba na ang meaning. It became Philippine na, no longer a Spanish word. It's a Philippine word na. And it means ang taong maibiging mag-alila ng aso. Alila at that time means to adapt no? So, hindi kaya yung mga perero ng simbahan at that time, as Filipino like us today, hindi nila maatim, hindi nila matake na pinapalayas yung mga aso. Ang ginawa nila ng mga perero, ang naging role nila, inampun na lang nila yung mga aso. Nag-evolve yung meaning ng perero 200 years after or 300 years after.